My name is Shiva and my roll number is H5. My topic is exponential random variable density function. The exponentially distribution is one of the widely used continuous distribution. It is often used to model the time elapsed between events. We will now mathematically define the exponential distribution and derive its mean, expected value. Then we develop the institute in the then we develop the institute for the distribution and discuss several interesting properties that it has. A continuous random variable x is said to have an exponential distribution with parameter lambda greater than 0, shown as x exponentially of lambda. If it is PDF, it is given f of x from lambda into e power minus lambda x, x greater than 0, 0 otherwise. Exponential distribution of value lambda. PDF of the random variable. It is a convenient to use the unit step function defined as u of x equal to 1 where x greater than or equal to 0 or 0 otherwise. So we can write the PDF of an exponential of lambda random variable as f of x equal to lambda into e power minus lambda x mu of x. A continuous random variable let x exponential, we can find its expected value using integration by parts as follows. Using expected value of as follows using integration by parts. E of expected value of x is integration equal to integration from 0 to infinity x into lambda e power minus lambda x dx. Choosing y equal to lambda x, we get 1 by lambda integration from 0 to infinity y into e power minus lambda dy. 1 by integrating we get 1 by e of x equal to 1 by lambda minus e power minus y power e into minus y from 0 to infinity. We get expected value of unit step function exponentially of lambda is 1 by lambda. Now let us find the variance of x. We have of exponential from unit step function e of x square equal to integration from 0 to infinity x square into lambda f of x square into lambda into e power minus lambda x dx. 1 by lambda square integration 0 to infinity y square e power minus y dy. 1 by y square minus 2 power e integration equal to minus 2 into e power minus y minus 2y e power minus y minus y square e minus y 0 to infinity. We get the variance equal to 2 by lambda square. Thus we obtain variance of e of x square variance equal to e of e x square minus ex whole square, that equal to 2 by lambda square minus 1 by lambda square equal to 1 by lambda square. If x of exponential lambda, then e of x is 1 by lambda and mean equal to 1 by lambda and variance is 1 by lambda square. An interesting property of the exponential distribution is that it can be viewed as continuous analog of the geometric distribution. To see this, recall the random experiment behind the geometric distribution. Example, tossing a coin. Repeat experiment until you observe the first head success. Now suppose that the coin toss are a second part apart, that in each toss the probability of success is p equal to delta lambda. Also suppose that lambda is very small, so the coin tosses are very close together in time and the probability of success in each trial is very low. Let x be the time you observe the first success. We will show the solved problem section that the distribution of x converges exponentially as lambda approaches 0. The above interpretation of the exponential is useful in better understanding the property of the exponential distribution. The most important of this property is that exponential distribution is memoryless. To see this, think of any exponential random variable in the sense of tossing a lot of coins until observe the first head. If we toss the coin several times and do not observe a head from now on to, like we start again all over again, in other words the failed coin toss do not impact the distribution of waiting time from now on. The reason for this is that coin toss are independent. We can state the form as follows: p of x, capital X, greater than of x plus a, x greater than a, equal to p of x greater than x. If x is exponentially with parameters lambda greater than 0, then x is memoryless random variable, that is p of x greater than x plus a by x greater than a equal to p of x greater than x for a x greater than or equal to 0. From the point of view of waiting time until arrival of a customer, the memoryless property means that it does not matter how long you have waited so far. If you have not observed a customer until time a, distribution of waiting time from time a until the next customer is the same as when you started at a time 0. Let us approve the memoryless property of the exponential distribution. Here is the proof of that expression. Exponential random variable density function is, here we know the relation CDF is CDF equal to, here we know CDF is at particular instant of time and PDF is at continuous time. So the PDF equal to integration of CDF from minus infinity to infinity, and CDF equal to differentiation of PDF. By this relation we can convert distribution function into density function. Thank you.